Red flags are conditions that indicate a higher likelihood of fraud. Which of the following is not considered a red flag? Okay, this means we should have 3 examples of red flags amongst the answer choices. So let's evaluate the choices. Answer choice A. Management has delegated the authority to make purchases under a certain value to subordinates. Okay, well this choice appears to be something that happens in properly controlled environment. Let's go ahead and evaluate the other choices for good measure, but keep in mind this appears to be the right answer. Answer choice B. An individual has held the same cash handling job for an extended period without any rotation of duties. All right. First, they're handling cash. Second, they've had the job for quite a while. Third, they don't rotate out of the role. In other words, this is a role that is highly susceptible to potential fraud. Lack of rotation of duties or cross-training for sensitive jobs is a red flag. Such a person may have a greater opportunity to commit and conceal fraud. Answer choice B is definitely a red flag. Answer choice C. An individual handling marketable securities is responsible for making the purchases, recording the purchases, and reporting any discrepancies as well as gains and losses to senior management. All right. Anytime you see something that is possibly a segregation of duties issue, that in and of itself should be a red flag. Inappropriate segregation of duties definitely qualifies here. The same person shouldn't be authorizing, executing, and accounting for transactions, as well as have custody of those assets. So answer choice C is definitely a red flag, so we can mark that one off. Let's look at D. The assignment of responsibility and accountability in the accounts receivable department is not clear. Well, anytime you have unclear roles and responsibilities and a lack of accountability, that poses potential for fraud. Establishing clear lines of authority and accountability not only helps to assign culpability, but also has preventative effects. So we can eliminate answer choice D. Let's return to A. Delegating the authority to make purchases under a certain value to subordinates is an acceptable common practice intended to limit risk while promoting efficiency. It is, unto itself, not considered to be a red flag. Answer choice A is the right answer.